Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're at Pfaff Reserve. They're hosting an open house. And yeah, we got a few Porsches here, a R32 Skyline. And yeah, we'll go through everything here. Got a really nice NSX right here. Audi R8, R35 GTR. I've grown to love these quite a bit recently. That's a really nice Panamera. And yeah, as you can see, there's really cool cars everywhere. Now, Pfaff isn't the only part, like, showroom taking part of this. I believe McLaren and Ferrari also have cars out. This is a really cool car. This is a Daihatsu coupe. I actually didn't know what this was. I did guess Daihatsu, but I didn't guess what kind of model it would be. But really nice car. You got this purple GT4 RS. I love the purple on these these newer Porsches. 600 LT squeezing by. Oh, this is cool. Kind of like a rustic brown. Through Lotus Miura, another car that I just grown to really love. Didn't think much about them before, but honestly I really do like the way they look. Another Lotus Miura. Oh, there's a Supra leaving. As I was saying, Lotus Miura, there's a Viper actually. Right there, a blue Viper. Now we'll come and check out. You got a purple Corvette. Alfa Romeo 4C. Oh, this is NSX right there. It's a really cool car. We saw this at Haggerty. Yeah, we saw it at Haggerty recently. You got a Lamborghini Revuelto. It's the first time I've seen it in person, not at like the auto show. Because I'm pretty sure at Lamborghini Montreal they didn't have one. .996. There's a loud music, but 2996 actually. One being Carrera 4S. The music is too loud. Music is way too loud, but two NSX here. Beautiful yellow R8. And yeah, let's look at the Paganis. And we've got a third Pagani. This is the purple one we do typically see here. All opened up. And then they got a little poster of Porsche over the years. Or Pagani, sorry. Pagani over the years. Beautiful AMG GT R. And this is the final area for Pfaff. So yeah, we can quickly go through. Here, there's still quite a bit of cool cars. There's a red Countach. Of course, the red Accordion. You got two singers right here. This gray one right here. And then there's a mint green 911 and then a shore green singer. It does smell pretty bad here though, so music is loud, but I still wanted to show this off right here. This MC20. Really cool car. It's a C7. There's that Dodge Viper. We're at the McLaren side now. I see a Ford GT. McLaren P1.
Also, window conditioning. Leave a window on the screen.
Well guys, I just wanted to post this, I guess, showcase a little bit of my collection. But yeah, I just added on a new car, which is the Datsun 240Z from Japan Historics 4. That's the full set right there. I believe the skyline is the chase in the set. Pretty cool. It's blue, long gone midnight. But yeah, I guess I'll probably start putting updates about my collection every now and then. But yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.